Hello everyone, so as you can see, I'm on my new comfy chair. And so, I have to show you my new homemade fire alarm that I made. So, let me just come show you. So, of course it's above my BG10. It's right over here. And it's a pretty small fire alarm. You can fit like two, if you turn it sideways, if you turn it horizontal, you can fit like two of these inside the BG10. It's also the same size as this and this. So I was just going to show you that. So that's my new alarm mounted. I'm going to go up to it for close. And it was actually pretty hard to make the strobe because what I had to do is I had to cut out the white paper, of course, and I had to fold it in half, and then I had to write fire. I had to get two triangles cut out, and then I had to push the fold down so that it would be in the same, it would look the same as the triangles. So, yeah. So, it was a short video. I was just showing you the new alarm I mounted in my homemade system. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed, and bye.